Hey there friends, I'm back again with a new tutorial video. In this video, I will teach you how to import your contacts to Gmail, making it easy to keep all your important contacts in one place. Have a list of contacts that you want to bring into your Gmail? Let's get started on this simple process. Open your Gmail account. In the top right corner, click on this one, the Google Apps, and then scroll down and choose Contacts. Once you're on the contacts web page, all you have to do is to look for um, import option. Now please click that one, and all you have to do is to select a CSV file. Just a heads up, I don't have any CSV file or any contacts here on my end, so I'll just walk you through with the steps. So after you uploaded the file or selected the file that you want, all you have to do is to click import, and after that all your contacts will be imported into Gmail, ready to keep you connected and organized. And congratulations, you've just learned how to import contacts to Gmail, streamlining your address book and ensuring you have everyone's information at your fingertips. Thank you for learning with me today. Once again, thank you for watching how to import contact to Gmail. See you on my next video.